Oh, I didn't see you there. Go to lsnasty.com, pick you up a piece of merchandise to win this beautiful turbo right here. It's a lovely TDI 85 front side, 96 back side. We're giving it away. Go to lsnasty.com, pick up a piece of merchandise. Anything in the past collections gets you 2 entries in to win this beautiful thing.
This video is all about you, so you talk to the people. You talk to the people. Whole thing, it's all about you.
Oh, there's nothing going on about me right now. Let's talk about our Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. There's your extended vehicle warranty. Your vehicle warranty needs to be extended.
Alright y'all, so as you can see behind me, my twin Phil is working on the charge pipe for the Colorado, and we have the turbo kit about wrapped up. Phil's been doing an awesome job knocking it out of the park. We have our 4-inch aluminum charge pipe going on there. That's what he's welding on right now. So once he gets done welding on that, we'll show you guys what it looks like. It's awesome. It fits underneath the front like radiator support or core support. It's got a little like half moon cut out of it that was there before for the blower setup. And it goes over the charge pipe, or sorry, over the hot side, and then in between the exhaust. And we got a Wiggins style clamp for the throttle body and a V-band down on the turbo. So it looks pretty good. It's I'm very excited about it. So before we get too much further in this video, I do want to let you guys know turbo giveaway going on right now. We have our normal stuff. I got a new shirt out on the website, and you guys can go and check that out. First link in the description below will take you to lsnasty.com. Anything in past collections is double entries. And then this new shirt, I got a new shirt, I got a new hat, I got some new stickers, I've got flags coming out, I got new socks coming out. We got a little bit of everything. And we're giving away a badass Force Inductions 85, sorry, it's not a Force Inductions, it's the sister company, TDI. So it's the more budget oriented 85mm T6 turbo. It's got a 96 backside. It's, you know, I mean, you can go fast with this thing. It's a very nice piece. All you guys have to do to get entered is go to lsnasty.com and you automatically enter to win. So we're giving that away because I want to see you guys at home go faster. That was just a welding machine over here. Black fill fabrication. It works. It works. Phil, talk to the people. Talk to him.
I don't have anything to say.
You got nothing to say?
Nothing to say. I don't mean if you need a turbo kit built.
How can they get up with it if you need a turbo kit built?
Hit me up on Instagram at @dblackphil, _black_phil, or you can hit me up on Blackphil Built on YouTube. Not YouTube, my bad. Yahoo.com.
Blackphil Built at yahoo.com. Yeah. If you want to get a Blackphil turbo kit. Hey, can you just stick that thing in here to show the people what we're working with?
Okay. What if I stick it in there and it doesn't fit?
We tough to explain. Look at that.
Yeah, you don't have to fight this clamp to get it on.
Wow. 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 That thing looks, I mean, that looks awesome. So when we put are you going to do the cutting out of the hood as well? Are you doing hood fitment?
I suck at that.
All right, I'll handle that. I'll handle that. Are you doing the exhaust?
Yeah, today?
I mean, whenever. It's got to be done before Tuesday. You know, pockets deep.
Oh, your pockets deep?
Yeah, oh, yeah.
Oh, shit.
Oh, yeah.
You know, this has been a whole day of work.
Yeah.
I'm kind of expensive today.
Today?
Yeah, just today.
This thing is, I said, it's pretty nice. So you got the Wiggins style clamp up here, or as Matt says, say it. What kind of clamp?
Vangin.
The Vangin. The Vangin clamp.
Vangin.
And these are nice because they allow some movement. That's kind of hot also. Yeah. But they allow some movement. So if there is any flex, you know, if you just have 2 V-bands there, you got no flex. Down here, as you can see, it's got the V-band and it seals up really good. Slap some silicone on there. This one's got like a double O-ring setup. This one right here is not on, obviously. And then
the ring goes over?
This goes over it and seals it so no air can escape. And this is what holds it all together. Phil was actually telling me he's got like a chassis belt that has similar clamp like that.
It's that big.
That's weird. That is weird, Phil. That is weird. But everything looks good. So I haven't talked to you guys about the new setup here. We got CDI LS7. Sorry. CID every time, dude. Every time. Matt just flames me all the time because I say stuff wrong, like ITC billet. It's ICT billet, and it's CID intake manifold. So we got this nice CID intake manifold on here, and this is an LS7 4500 flanged intake manifold. So we had to switch up from the Cathedral Port one because the Cathedral Port one was not, it doesn't, like, you can't run an adapter. I tried to run an adapter, wasn't a possibility. This one comes with nice fuel rails on there, which we are going to be running a set of billet atomizers through. And yeah, I mean, it's a really nice piece. It wasn't as hard to get my hands on as I was led to believe. I mean, a couple days, BTR had it in stock, sent it to me, slap it on there, good to go. This one like retails at like $1,700, so it's not cheap. The Texas Speed intake, it's a 4500 flange, Cathedral Port style, comes with fuel rails, comes with fuel rail brackets, comes with
mounting hardware.
Mounting hardware. Is this one O-ringed or not? It's not O-ringed. The other one is O-ringed. The Texas Speed one is O-ringed. And yeah, so it's like $650, $700, $800. A hell of a lot cheaper than this.
But probably half the plenum volume.
But it is probably half the plenum volume, yes. And that's the plenum volume is the cat's meow. The more volume, the better.
Yep, especially on a nitrous combo or an NA combo, it definitely would shine.
So yeah, it's a very good intake. I recommend it. I've waited 2 years to get one of these. I haven't been able to nut up and get one, but I just nut up and got one. So I'm pretty happy with it. Just got to get some mounting hardware and we're good to go. So as we move up, this is the new revision to the TKM carb style spacer burst panel. And this thing right here is mint. So this is the 4500 flange, and it's got your comes with the hardware and everything. It's double O-ring, so it's O-ring top, O-ring bottom, and you just bolt it on there. It's not nearly as tall as the other one. It's cut out here, so a little bit of weight reduction, has TCAM in there. It looks a whole lot cleaner. It's no sharp edges. They make this in 4500 and 4150. The 4150 one's badass because it's got like windows cut out in it, and I mean, it just looks absolutely sick. And then we got our Holley elbow on top. So we'll go over to the V1 over there. So this is the V1 version. And as you can see, 4500, I mean, this one right here, we're just going for size because size matters. But this was the 4500 one. I mean, it was just a block cut out. It's smoothly inside, had the burst panel. We had our nitrous spacer on there. This was the Texas Speed intake I was talking about, and another Holley elbow. I'm actually going to save this and probably run this combination on the Glizzard. Yeah, I mean, I'm going to run this combo. Right here, as you see, rails. I think the rails are probably big enough because I don't think I'm going to make too much horsepower with it.
Yeah, those support a lot of power.
So I think we'll be good. I'll put. I'm hoping I can get away with a set of 210s to see how far we go, but honestly, it's probably going to need a set of like 500 build atomizers or something like that. But this here's like the V1, and that's the V2. So as you can see, the guys at TCAM, they're coming out with their own TCAM manufactured parts. So they got a bunch of nice little like billet pieces that are absolutely awesome. They got their camshafts, they got cam kits, and then they got all their normal machine work. They're working on a really nice cam sensor kit for some of the Holley stuff for the LS guys, which I think is going to be awesome because I use that. We actually made one, and we're working with the guys at TCAM to make a better, a better solution for running a nice high-dollar cam sensor on an LS. So I'm very excited about this. The new burst panel stuff's absolutely sick. It's going up on the new TCAM website here very shortly, so I don't know if it's up there right now, but next week we'll have everything all done where you guys can go, click, put it in your cart, and purchase it. So Phil's got everything pretty much wrapped up here. What do you got to do? You got to put a blow-off valve on it?
Yeah, just got to put a blow-off valve in the back, and that'll be it.
And then we're good.
Yep.
And that's it. Turbo kit's done.
Yep, pretty much.
Time in this, it's not.
Literally, we could have done this in a day if we had everything.
Yeah.
But, you know,
I didn't have all the materials, and I decided to come and work on a Saturday, but literally one day, doing a turbo kit on methanol, no intercooler. It's like very short, sweet, to the point. You going from the turbo to the intake manifold, or sorry, to the throttle body. I'm excited about it. We have a weld off going on right now. Weld off. Oh, I see you, Matt. And Matt, tell him what happened to your hand.
Well, after a long time of pleasuring myself, I had carpal tunnel and it's become a ulnar nerve problem. So now I have a Skeletor hand. So
He's got a fucking strong hand.
this is my strong hand. So
You can't take him serious. You can't take him serious.
No.
God, all right, Phil, you're up. Weld off. Let's see. We got it going on live here.
God.
It's gonna be
left-handed, huh?
It's gonna be embarrassing if he did that to you with his weak hand.
His weak hand. God, you had Jesus Christ.
He doesn't have dreads, dude. Relax.
Man has the world's smallest head. It's like Alex put his head in here. No homo. Could you say things like that on camera?
All right, everyone at home, look at the light. All right, here's the test. I need everyone at home to comment, Matt or Phil, for the weld off.
Oh my God.
This is going down. All right, we got Matt right here. Then we got Phil right there.
I'm gonna say no.
Comment down below who won the weld off. Matt or Phil. The winner gets a $10,000 bonus.
Oh, I mean, if we're doing that, then let me just adjust it. Let me adjust the machine and clean it.